and welcome to another video. In today's video, I have a question for you. Do you ever get cravings to buy yarn? That's probably a silly question, considering we are crocheters. I have had a craving to buy yarn for at least 3 weeks. I figured out that it's been approximately 3 months since I bought some yarn, which is nowhere near me where I'm sitting. I'm currently using it in a project, so yeah. I keep saying Yeah. Do you ever get a craving to go and buy some yarn? Do you give in to your craving? Do you get the craving once and go, right, that's it, I'm off to the shops, or click, click, click online? Or do you try and put it off? I've been trying to put it off. Like I said, it's been about 3 weeks. It was way before Christmas this started, and it's not going away. I get craving for hot chips or packets of chips, and I usually just go and get it. I'll leave it for a little while, and then if it stays around, I'll just go and get it, eat it, and I'm past it. So that's telling me I just need to go buy the yarn, get over it. But I don't want to buy any more yarn. I do this every year. Between Christmas and the beginning of March, I try not to buy any yarn because in March I go to the Unwind Festival in Dunedin and spend lots of money. Not lots of money, but I get a bit crazy, buy some yarn. So I'm trying to save my money for that. Every year it doesn't work. So I'm going to try and do it this year. It's not going to work. But yeah, do you ever have a craving to go and buy yarn, and what do you do about it? Leave your answer in the box below. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, happy crochet. Bye.